Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Codeverse.
Previously we had learned about tables, also their callspan and rowspan, in our new series HSC projects. Today we're going to learn about forms in HTML. Before that, let's have a quick check about forms. An HTML form is used to collect user input. The user input is most often sent to a server for processing. HTML forms are used to collect user input on a web page. They allow users to enter data, make selections, and submit the information to a server for processing. HTML forms are created using the form element and various form controls such as input, select, and text area. Let's start our program number 4 from 11th HSC textbook. Open the place where you have to save the file. Press left click on the screen and click Open with Code. Now here, at the top left corner, you have to write a name of the file ending like .html. For live result, click on the right top corner button. By typing exclamatory mark, you'll get a meta abbreviation, which will provide a default theme of HTML. As you can see, our output has came. This video is on the forms with input elements. Next video will be on forms elements with text area. Stay tuned with the channel. Until then, peace out.